guys, it's time to take down the Costco Snowman. I got a request to make a video on how we take this big bad boy down. It served its purpose. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and now it's time to take it down. So I'm gonna start by taking off these ropes and then unhooking them from there. Then I'm gonna use a hammer, and of course you're gonna need a small ladder because it's kind of tall, and you're gonna need to start with these hooks down here. I found with a small hammer you can just go ahead and I did slightly just to test it out, but yeah, you just put it in there and lift it. Here's one over here. You just do this and just lift up and it comes right out. See? So I'm gonna do that, then I'll do the scarf, then I'll do the lights, then I'll do the candy cane, etc. I'll do a time lapse just to kind of save you guys time, and then we'll see how we put it in. Oh, how am I gonna get it in this box? I have no idea, but we're gonna figure this out together, you guys. All right, let's get started. All right, looks like everything is officially broken down into pieces. It was pretty easy. What I noticed is with the water, I don't know what that orange stuff is. Must be like rust. I don't know. That was kind of disappointing to see. I guess my sprinklers, water and metal don't mix. But yeah, everything's down. Let's try to get it in that box over there. I didn't keep everything, you guys. I just kept what I think I needed. So I'm gonna do the same. Try to slide it out like the way I slide it out. I'm gonna try to slide it back in. So, a couple things that I need, a couple bags. I just kept the big bag. I didn't keep a lot of the little stuff. Kept this for the arms. For the arms. What else did I? For the holes, the arm. Let's start with putting away the two arms, like so. One's done there. Another one there. Pretty easy. Oh man, I don't know how this is gonna fit. It's gonna be heck of a top. I'm assuming that this goes first, since that's what came out last. And if you notice, I didn't pull the box all the way out, just enough where I can slide it back in. All right. Alright. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do top hat up. Box already ripped, FYI. To hold the box open, I'm going to use a little bit of tape. A little bit of tape to hold the box open for me. All right, I think I've got just realized I need to break open this bad boy, and I also forgot to put the top hat in the bag. I guess it's not going in the bag anymore, so I'm gonna break this guy down. And I'm securing the nut here so I don't lose it for next time. Don't lose those bolts. You're gonna need them. So put these on the side. Maybe I can still get the bag on. We'll try it. Never hurt, doesn't hurt to try that. We all like to keep our stuff nice and protected, right? Not sure why, but we just do, just to have it on. Let's give it a try. Looks like it's working. One side. This side. The other side. Looks like I got it on. Bag is secure. All right. All right, now this stuff is next. I'm just gonna lay it on top. Actually, I'm gonna lay it diagonal so it can fit. Looks like diagonal is gonna fit better. Don't want to forget the scarf. Here, put these here. Might need to angle this way without damaging it. I know I need the hand still. Might need to take this so I can kind of maneuver it. So let's do that. That way it can fit better. I'll use it like a shield, I guess. Probably fit better this way. Hopefully this doesn't damage the scarf. So here, moment of truth. Getting stuck here. It's going in, it's pretty smooth so far. Just watch out for the sides. I'm going to stand it up. Hopefully you can still see that. So now what my plan was to get the arms on the sides, and I think I'm set. I got plenty of room, I think. Let's try this with this. One. the other arm. We'll go here. Oh. And then for the Grant finale, I need some rearranging to do here with the arms and the candy cane, but oh, I can just face this down. There you go. And this with this. It almost closes, but not quite. This is the best I can do, you guys. First try. I'll give it another whirl maybe next year. See you guys.